everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RF Ride. Today we are talking about the 2025 Honda S2000 is set to make a highly anticipated return with a blend of classic design and modern technology. This new model is expected to feature a powerful turbocharged inline-4 engine delivering impressive horsepower and torque figures while maintaining the high-revving character that made the original S2000 a fan favorite. With advanced engineering, the new S2000 is designed to offer exceptional performance on both city streets and winding roads, providing a thrilling driving experience for enthusiasts. The exterior design of the 2025 S2000 retains the iconic roadster silhouette with aerodynamic enhancements that improve overall performance and efficiency. The lightweight chassis combined with improved suspension geometry ensures precise handling and a responsive ride. Expect sharp lines and aggressive styling cues that stay true to the car's heritage while incorporating modern touches such as LED lighting and updated aerodynamics to optimize airflow. The choice of lightweight materials contributes to enhanced agility and fuel efficiency, making it an exciting yet practical sports car option. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Honda S2000 offers a driver-centric design with modern comforts and technology. The interior features premium materials, supportive seats, and an intuitive infotainment system with connectivity options that cater to modern driving needs. The minimalist yet functional layout keeps distractions to a minimum, ensuring the driver remains focused on the road ahead. Key upgrades include a digital instrument cluster, advanced climate control, and driver assistance features that provide a balance between performance and convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 S2000 is expected to incorporate Honda's latest engineering advancements to deliver an exhilarating driving experience while maintaining fuel efficiency and reliability. The transmission options may include a 6-speed manual gearbox for purists and an automatic transmission for those seeking convenience. With a finely tuned suspension system and an enhanced braking setup, the car offers precise cornering capabilities and a confident driving feel in various conditions. Safety has also been a focus in the development of the 2025 S2000. It is likely to come equipped with modern safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems to enhance driver confidence and ensure a secure driving experience. Honda's commitment to safety and innovation ensures that the S2000 remains a top contender in the sports car segment. With its blend of heritage, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, the 2025 Honda S2000 is expected to appeal to both loyal fans and new enthusiasts alike. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and in-depth reviews of the most exciting automotive releases.